All right, Matthew here from Tangleman Tactical, and we have my 300 blackout. We're going to do similarly what we done to my 9mm. We're going to run 147 grain straight out the muzzle brake there. Then we're going to slap the can on, see what that sounds like. And then we're going to swap over to 220 grain subsonic, hush subsonic, and see what the sound difference is. Once again, just a little precursor here. I don't have a proper mic for this, so if you wear quality earbuds while you're listening to what we're doing here, you'll be able to tell the difference. You probably be able to tell the difference no matter what. But anywho, all right, so these are 147 muzzle brake. I don't have a silencer code for their flash hider, kind of like the flash hider that I have on my little mini one here. It's like $65 for that, for Yankee Hill flash hider. For silencer code, they want like 140 or 160 for a piece of metal with threads on it, so I don't think I'm gonna purchase that. All right, so here we go. Good thing, because that was a sub. All right, so we're going to just do 5 shots, and then 5 shots with the can on, and then 5 shots with the subs in. Okay, pretty loud. We figured that. Okay. Once again, I'm clearing this weapon before I put the suppressor on, so all of you couch potato range Nazis won't have a heart attack and won't be able to finish your bag of Doritos that's out of your belly button. So,
be nice.
All right. Okay. So now we got the suppressor on. We've got about 3 rounds, so we'll do that. So we're in there. We're good. 147 grain, 300 blackout with silencer code hybrid 47. And that's it. So we're clear, got a clear chamber. Now, all we need to do is put this in, and we'll do 5 shots from this one. It's in there, went in. All right. Okay. These are 220 grain, if I hadn't already said that. All right. I say it's a lot quieter. Go from the brake 147, then the suppressor 147, then the suppressor 220 grain. Huge differences. No, the 220 grain can't reach out like the 147, but you're not going to be taking 220 grain and trying to make 500-yard shots with it. You're just not going to, which just wouldn't make 500 yards anyways, I don't think, unless you had some special ammo loads. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea. Be sober, be vigilant. God bless.